Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple yet elegant dish, pork tenderloin and onions with cream sherry wine sauce, and it is perfect for guests or just treating your family. Welcome to Carol's Recipe Adventures, where I share recipes you can enjoy with friends and family. Before we start, set your oven to 400 degrees so it is preheating while you prepare the pork. First, you want to salt and pepper the pork tenderloin and make sure you get all sides covered well. With the stove on medium heat, we're adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is heated, add the pork. You will sear the pork to lock in those wonderful flavors. You want a nice sear on all sides, so this will take about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Once it's seared, remove the pork and set it aside. In the same pan, add the onions and sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. This will cook slowly until they start to caramelize, giving us that rich flavor. Stir them occasionally for about 10 minutes until they are beautifully golden. Place the pork back into the pan with the onions and cover it with a lid. Place it in the preheated 400-degree oven and cook until the internal temperature reaches 150 degrees. Set your timer for about 10 minutes because that's about how long it will take to reach 150 degrees. Once it reaches temperature, remove it from the oven. Then remove the lid. Place the pork tenderloins on a baking sheet. You want the pork to rest. You will also place the sautéed onions on the baking sheet. Then loosely cover the pork with foil. You want to leave the juices in the pan because this will be part of the sauce. While the pork rests, let's get started on this flavorful sauce. Pour 1 cup of cream sherry into the pan and bring it to a boil and reduce it by half. Make sure you scrape up all those flavorful pieces left in the pan. Add the 1 1/3 cup of heavy cream and stir. This is also when you want to whisk in the arrowroot, and the arrowroot is going to be what helps thicken the sauce. Let it simmer until the sauce slightly thickens. Then add some salt and pepper to taste. While the sauce is simmering, slice the pork at a slight angle into 1-inch thick pieces. Once the sauce is ready, add the onions and the pork to the pan. Spoon the cream sherry sauce over the pork and simmer to blend the flavors for about 5 minutes. And there you have it, pork tenderloin and onions with cream sherry wine sauce. A delicious dish perfect for a weeknight or a dinner party. Give this recipe a try. Until next time, happy cooking.